A chalk line creates the straight, square reference lines that guide every tile placement for a professional-looking kitchen floor. A proper workflow starts by measuring from multiple opposite walls to find the true center and any out-of-square conditions, then snapping a chalk line along that center to anchor your layout. When working with staggered or brick patterns, snap a second parallel chalk line, space the width of your tile plus grout to establish the first full row edge and prevent cumulative error. Use the chalk line to mark both the first row and reference lines perpendicular to it so you can keep tiles aligned across the room, especially across doorways and around cabinets. For cuts and partial tiles, snap local chalk lines where tiles meet walls or obstacles so you can transfer those lines to the tile for accurate cutting. Keep a small hand brush or compressed air handy to remove chalk dust before applying thinset so the adhesive bonds correctly where lines cross tiles. When working with large format tiles, snap a grid of lines every few feet to check for warp and maintain alignment across the field. Common mistakes include trusting a single measurement and snapping the line without confirming across the room, which leads to a layout that looks straight in one place but drifts. Double check by measuring from both opposing walls and snapping a secondary line. Another issue is snapping lines directly on dusty subfloors, then installing tiles without cleaning the chalk residue, which can interfere with thinset adhesion. Sweep or blow the line area clean before installing. A third problem is not rechecking layout as you progress, which allows small placement errors to accumulate. Periodically lay a dry run of a row or two against your lines, and adjust the string lines if necessary before the thinset cures. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors by listing professionals nearby and letting users compare basic profiles and project examples. We also connect contractors with local jobs and host an active discussion community where we and users share tips, ask layout questions, and troubleshoot installation challenges together.